Enriquez. To Pardo, number 23, looking for the receiver. To Ordonez, no good. Rebound by the big guy. Number 4, steal by Barquilla. 2.8 for FMG. Barquilla, 2, Leroy, easy 2. Number 14, Leroy. Enriquez, 2, the big guy. Yan ang masarap pag may malagtag. Receive lang ng receive sa loob. Barquilla, zigzagging, ball shoot, basket counts. Foul number 12, Enriquez. First personal foul by number 12, Enriquez. For the sprinkle or Dwayne Barquilla. Complete 3-point play. Score 9-4. 5-point lead for FMG. Enriquez, guarded by Chris Devante. Enriquez to the middle, still by Chris Kalu. Kalu. Foul number 12, second personal foul on Seth Enriquez. 2 free throws for Chris Devante. Suwak. No good. Rebound by Pardo. Pardo, guarded by Pardo. Enriquez. Enriquez. Long 2. 2 points for Enriquez. Barquilla, grab to number 14. Nice pass. Pardo for 3 goal. Rebound by Casa. 9 to shoot. Enriquez, 2. Another steal. Kalu. Zigzagging. Kalu, no good. Rebound by Ordonez. Foul on number 6, Kalu. First personal foul. First big foul. Enriquez is still right. Devante. Lays up, no good. Same goal. Nice. Now play. Number 14. Pardo. Lock 2. Double. Remember Barquilla. Barquilla to Devante. Devante. Foul to good by number 23. Pardo. 2 free throws for Devante again. Miss. No good. Rebound by number 14. Back to Marquilia. Tokalu. Take. 3 seconds. Violation. Time out. With our partners, Case Kitchen. Supported as well by FMG, Ablasa, Merckx, Ruby. Enriquez. 6 out, losing the board. 2 points more, Enriquez. Number 12. Marquilia. Nice shot by Green Marquilia. Pablo, same spot, no good. Rebound by Vero to Marquilia. Marquilia, Pabes Miranda to Prince Kalu. Clear drop, easy through, substitution. Next 5. Score 88-20. Still by the number 14. Still by the big man. Number 4. Still by the big man. Demanding to you, number 2. Panobio, number 7. Looking for receiver. To Chris. 5 to shoot. 3 to shoot. Demanding for 3. No good. Rebound by number 2. Enriquez, easy 2 points. Panobio, block. Then the big man. Pardo. Enriquez from Rasta. Back to Pardo. 3 seconds on number 4. Caso, to Rebate, to Panobio. Panobio, 50 foot, 2 points for Joaquin Panobio. Pardo, to Ablasa, Malakas, to Strong. Chris Devante, double, rebound by Enriquez. All players tie your shoes very tightly. Yon Gagarina. 2 points for number 23. Panopio, easy two. Swish, the number 23, Parker. Chris Defante. Block. Rebound by number 14. Panopio for round 2, no good. Rebound by number 4. Sandy Canicas sidestepping, using the board, no good. Rebound by Castle. Eugene to the Pante. This is Blue. 10-point lead again for FMG. Bauer. To Enriquez. To number 2 on the side. 2 points for number 2. Panopio. Step back. No good. Rebound by Chris. Fresh 14. Defante for 3. No good. Rebound by the big one, number 4. Barber. Last. Panopio. Asking to Defante. To number 24, Castle. Wrong pass. Wrong teammate. Panopio big man, Chucky. 2 points for number 4. Next, final substitution. Barquilla Tupalu. What a shot by Prince Ali. Mario Maras by Defante. To the big man. Good backs outing. Good backs out by FMG. Barquilla pass to Castle. Castle looks up. Set up foul, number 11, Ordonez. 2 free throws for number 24. Castle. Rashad Ogu. The shot good. 34-20, a 14-point lead for FMG. Garcia is still by number 14. Jump ball. FMG ball. Devante Berti, Devante Turi. Parla. Looking for receiver. Ordonez, back to Parla, 17. Short, rebound by Prince Cali. All the way, easy through for Prince Cali. Still, Prince Cali again. Pass back to Devante. This wow, nice layup by Prince Devante.
Where's Renzo?
Wow, number 14. First personal foul, number 14. First team foul, FMG. Shoot. Torquilla to Kalu. Kalu, step back. Using the one, no good. Rebound by Ordonez. Ordonez, alas may Castle. Outside. Black ball. Arquilla, air ball. Vince. Bradley. Still by Devante. Whoa.
Somebody give this man a scholarship. Oh my God, somebody hand that guy a scholarship.
Steve. And Russell. Looking for his middle. To Kalu. This is good for Prince Kalu. Take the shoot. It's good. Pass break to Devante. Malakas masyado. Blue ball. Substitution. Substitution.
Where's Sven? He's over there.
Black ball. Jacob. Still by the Panther. Easy through. Last 4 minutes. Point lead for MMA, still by Al-Nasa. Number 4, 2 points.
That's the number 4! Wait, just move over to that side. Oh, yes! Alright, Summer! Oh, yes!
Last 1 minute, substitution.